Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can fix your Epic Games Launcher installer basically closing prematurely and not installing Epic Games. So the few things or the few fixes that I've found that work in this particular case from Epic Games themselves, they've said is basically you have to first of all try to disable background application including your antivirus at the time because it might see this as a malware and not allow it to install any further. What you're going to want to do next is make sure you have read and write access to the selected install path. So you're going to go to the drive, you're going to click on the properties, go to the securities tab, and click on your username in the group or user box and make sure you have allow node the read and write permissions both. Next, you're going to run that installer as an administrator. The next thing that you want to do is make sure your Windows is up to date. Make sure you have adequate updated device drivers. The other thing that you could do is it could be because you have an Epic Games Launcher already installed and that's a previous version. What you could do is you can add or remove programs by going to the search bar and looking for add or remove programs right here. The other things that you could do is you could basically disable your antivirus software, like I said, and run the Epic Games Launcher. Again, if the file is corrupted, you could check for your properties or tools in error checking if there's a corrupted folder you're installing in, and you could also use the mcx exec to install the launcher. And what you really need to do is you're going to click on the yellow folder icon in the lower left corner to open the file explorer right here. When you open the file explorer, you're gonna go find it typically in the downloads folder. Hold the shift key and right click key on the installer file, select copy as path, and then click on the Windows key plus S key to open the search bar. And in the search bar, you're going to select CMD, right click on the command prompt, run as administrator. In the command prompt, you're going to type this particular command, right click in the space after MIX, and you're going to copy the install location and press the enter key. Now, this is basically the last issue that would be if you have a hard disk space issue. So you can make sure that your hard disk space is fine. But yeah, these are all of the things that you could do to ensure that there's no problem on your end when you're installing the Epic Games Launcher. And if it does not work, you can reinstall another instance of the Epic Games Launcher and see if that works. I hope this video helped you out, guys. If it did, please leave us a like or a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.